In this video, we will see new features of Filmora 15 as compared to Adobe Premiere Pro. Filmora 15 is a major upgrade over version 14, focusing on advanced AI, increased efficiency, and complex project handling, featuring dual timeline editing, AI Extend, and improved motion path tools. It is designed for faster, high-impact content creation, whereas Filmora 14 emphasizes foundational AI automation. I am on Filmora 15 right now. Let's see the new features and their working as compared to Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, we have Relight. This feature instantly enhances lighting direction, brightness for high-quality visuals. As we talk about Premiere Pro, there are several ways to do this Relight. One is by manually adjusting lighting, and second is by applying effects. I have applied both ways. Its results are pretty good and looks natural. If you're new to channel, then like and subscribe. I usually upload these type of informative videos. We have AI audio upgrades, major updates to AI sound effects, and AI Smart BGM. As we talk about Premiere Pro, there is no specific AI audio features in it. However, you can use any website to download AI sound effects and use it in your videos. Image to video include two major and latest video generations platform, including Google Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 dual modes. These are known for their best video generations. This is major upgrade as compared to Filmora 14. Another great and my favorite feature is AI Extend. It allows us to extend our clip with just prompt. Its results are pretty good. Then there is pen tools, which allow us to draw anything on our video. It gives really great effect to our video. Premiere Pro doesn't have a specific video generator model. However, there were videos circulating of Adobe Firefly in Premiere Pro. Adobe Firefly is directly integrated into Adobe Premiere Pro, introducing generative AI tools that allow editors to extend clips, add or remove objects, and seamlessly import AI-generated media. These features are powered by the Firefly video model, designed to be commercially safe and integrated into standard editing workflows. I hope this video will be helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Animated charts. If you want to present some data from Excel, then it is best and useful tool for you. Now our editing software provide this amazing feature. As Premiere Pro is more professional level software, so it has already built templates of pie chart, bar chart, and many more. You just have to find them and you can use in your videos. Secondly, you can create animations using keyframes. Subproject allows us to import other small project to our main project so that we can edit and use the clips we want. Dual timeline editing allows us to edit multiple timelines at the same time. It is useful in compound clips. Dynamic captions is another hot feature of Filmora 15. Filmora 14 also has Smart Cutout, but here it is improved version. AI Object Remover has some major updates, and its results are much better as compared to previous version. As we talk about these features, so no doubt Premiere Pro also has these amazing features. So going in details will make the video lengthy. So in order to save time, we will try to keep it short.